everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic black bars effects on your video using Spring Video Editor. It's super easy, totally free, and will instantly make your footage like a movie. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Spring Video app on your device, then tap on the Create New, and then just import your video that you want to edit. I want to choose this one, like this. Next, we will set the video ratio. Just tap on the ratio options on the top of the screen. Just tap on it, and then just choose your ratio that you like. In this tutorial, I will just use this ratio, landscape ratio. And then before adding the effects, make sure your video durations is exactly how you want it. You can trim or cut unwanted parts here. This will save you time later. Maybe I will trim my video like this. Now for the cinematic bars, just go to overlay and then choose image assets. And then choose plain black screen. This one. Like this, and then adjust the size. And then just position these clips at the bottom of the frame, so it covers a small portions of your video, like this. I think I will make it like this. And then adjust the durations. And then duplicate the clip. And then just move the duplicate one to the top of the frame like this. Like this. Now you have two bars, one at the top and one at the bottom. It's creating a classic movie look. And then to make it more dynamic, let's add a shadow animations. Add keyframes at the start of the black bars and another keyframes a little bit later, like this. Next, on the first keyframe, move the black bars completely off screen so they are hidden, like this. And move the another one, like this. And then I will add the graphic for the smooth motions. And then just play the video to check the result. Like this. The black bars will slide in smoothly like this, and giving the dramatic reveal effects. And then if you are happy with it, just tap export this one. And then choose your resolution, frame rate, and quality, and then just save as video. And now you have a cinematic black bars video. It's ready to share on your social media or YouTube. And that's it, you have just made your video look like a scene from a film using Spring Video Editor. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!